Takže v tomto smoothie mám zmiešaný banán, jahody a passion fruit.
โอเคยายอันนี้ครบแล้วยายอีกคน1 2 3 4 9 10 11 12อีก2คนไปไหนเดี๋ยวก่อนคนที่1ออกมานี่ใช่ไหมเดี๋ยวก่อนลูกค่ะลูกออกทางนี้เดินมานี่คนที่2เดี๋ยวพยายามจะปล่อยให้มันแบบว่าออกมาพร้อมกันแล้วเดี๋ยวพลึบแล้วค่อยพลึบพร้อมกันอีกรอบหนึ่ง
Downtown we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in a hazy glow. My hands, your bones. Loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3. Don't you stop the music, fade into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet. In the space between, you gotta give yourself a moment, let your body be. Your name, I'll let you know, as we get down in the road below, caught up in an overflow. My hands, your bones, wide-eyed, you look at me, set on fire and still a dream. Spin around, you can feel the breeze. Count 1, 2, 3. And don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find the place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment. Let your body be. We gotta lose it. 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 We gotta lose it.
Toto je moja najobľúbenejšia mixitka. Šešeň a mandle.
Don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you?
Takže momentálne robíme také niečo ako prezentáciu, oblečili sme si to oblečenie na seba a vlastne tí mladí dizajnéri to svoje oblečenie prezentujú ako keby na nás a vlastne nejakí tí kritici, nejakí modní guru z Thajsku to hodnotia.
Dance with me, move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment, let your body be. Downtown we let it go. 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 Loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3. Don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet.
Takže za chvíľu nám začína prehliadka, bude určite super a našla som Slovenku. Čauky. Takže som veľmi rada. Veľmi. Je Thajčan? Ani nevidím. To patrí asi k tomu hotelu.
In the space between, you gotta give yourself a moment, let your body be. We gotta lose it, we gotta lose it, we gotta lose it, we gotta lose it. 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 We gotta lose it.
Čo bol vlastne 7 katalóg. Už sme naň meškali, takže teraz meškáme na ďalší, ale určite všetko zvládneme. Takže ľudia tu stoja takto krásne za sebou v rade, slušne čakajú, kým sa otvoria tieto dvere. Ahojte, dnes je sobota a chystám sa ísť na takú prezentáciu alebo skôr prednášku o startupoch. Malo by to trvať celý deň, uvidíme, či tam budem zdržať celý deň. Budú tam rozprávať vlastne ľudia, ktorí mali úspešné startupy v Thajsku, budú tam 3 prednášky a potom tam budú jednoducho ľudia, ktorí zaujímajú startupy a chcú sa naučiť o tom niečo viac. To som ja ten človek a tí ľudia, ktorí už majú nejaké nápady a chcú sa poradiť. To ja ešte nemám, ale tak snad sa dopracujeme do tej fázy.
Look at all the stats around millennials, around the future of work, around how people are changing, and actually don't listen to, your dad, don't listen to your mom, don't listen to a lot of people that have ideas, but those ideas are rooted in the past. Sometimes you just have to break out on your own and say, yes, they may have some good experience that you can learn from, but then you're also thinking about the future. Building business for the next generation of consumers. That's your job, to understand your friends and your peers, what they need. Because somebody born in the 1960s will probably don't know which apps you're using right now. Look for pain points. Try to solve real problems and not build stuff that are nice to have, like another photo editing app, because there's loads of photo editing apps, but build stuff that people actually find it so painful, like trying to grab a taxi in Bangkok when it's raining, that you'll actually pay on Grab and Uber to actually solve that problem. Forget business plans. Business plans for me didn't work out so well. We changed Hubba's business plans over 50 times. Just kept writing them until the point like, this is not worth it. I'll just write a business model canvas and I'll just keep iterating, keep trying, keep testing. Figure out what you're good at and try to build on that. I'm good at connecting. I have lots of friends. I have done a lot of community work. I've done a lot of volunteer work. I've done a lot of speaking. So building a co-working space was a great business for me because I use my strengths, my talents to bring people to my community. Ignore noise. I already mentioned that. Listen to signals. Real signals comes from consumers. And try to make at least a product, a co-working space, an app that 100 people love. It's easy to go from 100 people to 1,000, but they really love it, rather than trying to build for 10,000 people that they sort of like. You're being as good as your team. Hubba's success today is definitely partly because we recruit amazing people on the team. And the best team you can recruit is from the network of people that you know and work with, because you'll know them, you'll know how they think, you'll know what they want to do with their lives. So build that network out. 3 more points and time's up. Find your passion. I think passion is overrated. So many people talk about passion. But it's not like, oh, I have a passion in taking selfies. I'm gonna try to find a job in selfie taking. But it's really finding what you're meant to do, and that you can think about it, you can live with it, you can work on it, this problem, this project, and it doesn't feel like work. It's not that burst of energy, of kind of passion, but it's more like, I can go to my co-working space every day and feel energized and feel like I'm not working. And sometimes those passion comes from experience. Like you're so good at something making a clay pot, that you figure that this is going to be the thing that you should do in your life. You know, it's the process of finding what you're meant to do is really hard. Some people never get it for their entire lives. One thing I can only advise you is to get as many experiences as possible. Because it's as most important to find the things that you don't like as much as you find the things that you do like. The more you find that you don't like, that will sort of guide you to where you want to actually go. Right. And lastly, Papa's success and survival today has been really all about karma. So keep doing good, keep helping other people, keep attending these events, volunteering, and hopefully one day, the more you give, one day you'll be able to ask when you're in need, when you want to raise that funding, when you want that person to join you too. So thank you very much. That's it for me. Have a great day.
The process for this plan is relatively simple. We need trackers to put for the buses. We need to